We're with Luis.
Yo.
And Connor's inside. I think he's saying bye to his parents, but we're going to... Where are we going?
Asheville, North Carolina.
We're going to Asheville. So last week we went to Knoxville. This week we're going to Asheville. So we've been traveling a lot, guys, doing a lot of installs, but I know I haven't been really filming much in the last 2 months, but it's been a crazy journey in the meantime, guys. We're 170 cars now, so a lot of work. We've been doing a lot of work. Right now we're at Connor's house. Connor's inside. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna be heading down to Asheville. All right, and as we're speaking,
Boys,
Connor is here.
we're on the way.
We're on the way. Boys, we have arrived in Asheville.
Yo.
What hotel are we in?
We're at the Embassy Suite.
Alright, we're at the Embassy Suite.
Are we?
I have no idea.
That's what it said on the
But I need... Boom, so this is how we're looking. This is where we stayed. Got everything sorted. And then so this is it's claimed to be a suite, but it's pretty cool. You know, it's got its own living room, its own little office, and then it's got a little TV out here, and then a little thing to cook, do whatever you need to do. Bathrooms in there. But yeah, the rooms are pretty tough. Last night was a great stay. We're about to be finishing up, and then we're gonna be going to the client. So we're gonna knock out both cars today. So they're two Q50's. So gotta love the Infinitis. But yeah, we have arrived.
Asheville, first customer. Trying to knock out 2 today, so we have a free day tomorrow. Enjoy the city.
As you guys know, the Q. So this is the setup. So boom, all we need really is just a table, our tools, stands, basic stuff. You know, we got power over there. So he's gonna be getting Suede all around. So let's just look at the interior. As you guys know, basic tannish interior. So he's gonna be getting all his columns all wrapped, middle ones, everything, and then 900 stars, maybe a design. But we're about to be getting started on it, guys, and then we're gonna be making a cool video. Alright, and just like that, guys, we did finish. So we got this in here. So this is how it starts out looking with the Suede, of course, all around, even on the sunroof panel. Looks fire. Connor's finishing up, pinning up, and then we are going to be heading towards our next guy. Mary's. How about to get food, so guys, we just finished. Oh, crazy work. 2 Q50s in one day. This one has this custom emblem, which makes it look pretty cool. Well, it's currently like 10 o'clock at night, so we're about to head back to the hotel. And then, calling it a night, boys. Tomorrow should be an interesting day, though. Since we don't have work, we're just gonna be exploring and finding things to do.